Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the post update session of our general meeting. Today, we will be talking about the performance that we had in our organization in the last 6 months of the COVID-19 pandemic. Like the struggles and the uncertainties are part of a journey, and as I already said before, that no entrepreneur ever said that we won. They always said that we survived. So, and yes, we survived. So 6 months back, when we got stuck with the pandemic, it was very difficult for us to understand the situation and to come up with the idea so that we could serve people. So uh, the first priority at that time for us was to take care of the people working at our organization, and the second thing it was to serve the students across the globe. Now, because of the pandemic, we were not able to conduct the sessions offline, but we had to try out something new. So what we did for the first month, while the team was working in creating the content for the online sessions, we decided to reach out to as many students as possible. And then we conducted 20 webinars and addressed 136,000 students through that. This is these were few of the services that we already have for our uh, training program. One of them is offline training and internship program and the workshops, but because of the pandemic, we were not able to conduct these services. But then we introduced two more services, which were virtual training and internship program, and the other was the master classes. Now, we conducted 6+ Rocket Masterclasses and we served 216 students. And we also conducted Satellite Masterclasses and we served 44 students through it. We all know that there is a very big gap between the academics and the industries. So we decided to come up with a program which could not only train students, but which would also provide the research opportunities to them. So that's how we came up with the idea of virtual training and internship program where students could get hands-on experience on the softwares and designing side, sitting at their place. And this is how we provided internship opportunities to 129 students till date. So now let's talk about the financial growth. In the month of June, we noted the growth of 140.0455% in our revenue. In the month of July, we had the growth of 36.966%. In the month of August, it slowed bit down and we had the growth of 23.230%. And in the September, we are expecting the growth rate of the total revenue of 34.675%. We also conducted a charity workshop and we helped a cancer patient. This was for the very first time Star ever conducted the charity sessions, and now we are also planning to do it in future as well. We were invited by 18+ platforms across the globe to talk, to deliver the talk, and to address students and to inspire them. Then we decided and we planned out a roadmap to grow for the next 5 years. For that, one of the plans that we had was of the campus ambassador. So we appointed 25+ campus ambassadors across India who would impart space education to students in their respective campus. Then, to the students who could not afford the training programs, we decided to provide them the scholarship. So till date, we have provided scholarship to the 16+ students. For any startup, collaboration is the key. We believe in growing, but we also believe in holding the startups and the clubs who are operating there in the universities and schools. We collaborated with 7 clubs across India. Another 2 collaborations are there in progress. Recently, we appointed our first board of advisor, Mr. Jim Cantrell, who belonged to the very elite institution. He was a co-founder of SpaceX. The good news is in the pandemic, where most of the companies were having layoffs, we had zero layoff. In fact, we got 5 new people on board who are helping us out to reach out to students and to provide them the quality education. During this pandemic, we came up with an idea to serve the space industry, to serve them by building space-based products. So we came up with another initiative named Star Orbitals that believes that you have to decide where and when to go. The first product launch of this company is going to be on this 24th September. For this particular initiative, we have recruited 26 research interns who are constantly working and striving hard to build this product more efficient and to put it in the market as soon as possible. And now we are ready for the liftoff. We are ready to scale up. We believe that space is now not just limited to engineers and the scientists and the big laboratories. Space is open for all the people who aspire and who dare to dream. So space is for everyone. Now, credits for this particular performance goes to the armed forces, the doctors and nurses, police, and all the frontline workers, and all the students community who constantly helped us in reaching out to people across the globe. And last but not the least, my team. So these were the updates of our performance during the pandemic. Once again, let's work together and make space for everyone. Thank you so much, guys.